Meaning of injure.
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 Injure. The word injure refers to causing harm or injury to a person or animal either intentionally or unintentionally. Injuries can range from minor cuts and bruises to more serious damage such as broken bones or internal bleeding. When someone is injured, they may experience pain, discomfort, and limited mobility. Injuries can also impact a person's quality of life and ability to engage in everyday activities, work, or recreational pursuits. Depending on the severity of the injury, medical treatment may be necessary to help the person recover and manage any ongoing effects.